Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, I'm going to show you one bedroom with 3 different layouts and I will walk you through each of them. So let's start. This is the first layout that I want to show you. It's a good sized room with doors on one side and 2 fixed windows on the opposite wall. I placed wardrobe on one of the walls and the bed is placed opposite. In this particular layout, the bed is off-centered and that allowed us to create a lounge area on the window wall. We have enough space to walk freely around the bed, to open the door and here to access the wardrobe. That's the second layout I want to show you. It's the same style of bedroom. And here we placed the bed in the center. And between the windows we placed vanity unit with chair. We also have space to put a bigger plant and to walk freely around the bed, around the vanity and access the wardrobe. This is the third layout. It's still the same room, but a bedroom is in a different style. Here, I placed the bed on the window wall, creating a focal point when you enter in the room. Wardrobe is a bit smaller to allow comfortable access to the bed and bedside tables. It was enough space to place a bench and mirror on the side of the bed. On the opposite wall, I created open shelves to store books and other decorative pieces. There was enough space to add 2 armchairs and create a reading nook. I wonder which layout is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!